Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up table rate shipping on WooCommerce using our plugin. You can find a link to the plugin in the description below. In this example we're going to be using the USA and Canada as our shipping examples. Although these are fictitious shipping tables, they're actually reasonably representative of a number of stores we've dealt with. So in this case we're just going to assume the store is shipping to the USA and Canada. We're going to have two types of shipping service. We're going to have standard and we're going to have express. And we've set up these particular tables. These numbers are all going to be based on the total cart value. So if you have a cart from 0 to $49.99, standard shipping is $7, express is $10. 50 to $99.99, standard shipping is $10, express is $12. 100 or greater, the asterisk represents infinity. Standard will be free and express will be $13. For Canada, this particular demo store is only going to ship standard. Express it won't ship at all. Same ranges, and you can see the prices here, $10, $12, and $14. So let's go ahead and get this set up. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to set up those shipping types that we talked about. We'll set up standard shipping, and we will set up express shipping. We will save those so that they're in there. Okay, fantastic. And then we're going to set up a couple of shipping zones, one for the US and one for Canada. So we'll put the USA in there, and we will put, if I could type today, we'll put Canada in there. And we will select the appropriate country. So for the US, there it is. For Canada, we will select that. Okay. And we're going to have 3 different table rates. And we'll do the standard one first. So these are all going to be for the standard shipping. In this particular case, we're not going to use any shipping classes, and the condition is going to be based on the total price of the cart. So we'll go from 0 to $49.99, and that was $7. So I had to just one back. So it's 7, 10, and free. And this goes from 50 to $99.99. And then anything 100 or above, and remember the asterisk represents infinity, it's going to be free. We just leave that at 0. So we set those up for the standard shipping. So let's just now set the same ones up for express shipping. And I'm doing this in real time so you can just see just how easy it is to set this up. We're going to do the same thing, 0 to $49.99. Oh, missed a decimal point. We're going to go from 50 to $99.99, and then 100 and above. And the rates for that were 10, 12, and 13. So the first one is $10, $12, and $13. So we've got those in there. I'm just going to save those changes. So we've got in there. That looks like the US one is set up. And we're now going to do the same for Canada. We only need 3 here because we're not using express. We're just going to set up standard shipping. And we will run that by total price. And it goes from 0 to $49.99. Then it goes from 50 to $99.99. And then it's anything greater than $100. And the shipping for those just to 10, 12, and 14. And 14. And we'll just save those. That is it. It's as simple as that to set up the shipping in the USA and Canada. So let's just take a little look. Here's my store, currently set up with 5 items in the cart for a subtotal of $49.95. Let's go ahead and view that cart. Let's calculate the shipping. I will ship to the United States if I can find it. I will just make up a random Beverly Hills 90210. I like to do that. Just update the totals. Okay, so it's less than $50. We see we have 2 choices. We have express shipping at $10 and we have standard shipping at $7, which is exactly what we expected. Let's just, why don't we'll put another item in the cart and update that. Okay, so we've crossed the threshold between 50. We can see express shipping is now $12 and standard shipping is $10. That makes sense as well. Okay, so let's get this over $100 now and see what happens. So I need 11 of these. Okay, look at that. We now have standard shipping, which is free, and we have express shipping, which is $13. Let's make sure that's what we expect. Free and $13. Fantastic. Now let's just update our address, and let's not ship to the United States. Let's actually ship out to Canada. And let me just update those totals now. Okay, so Canada, we're above $100, and it's got the standard shipping of $14. Notice there is no express shipping available. That's what we'd expect. Above $100, $14. So let's come below 100, and we expect that to be 12. Let's see if that holds true. So let's just put 10 of those in there. Okay, it's dropped to 12, and then finally under 50, we expect it to drop to $10. Let's just put, oh, going the wrong way. Okay, and the shipping is $10 as expected. So that's just a very simple demonstration of this fantastic plugin. You saw how easy and quickly it was to set that up. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at the website, gem-products.com, and looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.